can come apart in pieces. These go back together, as I'll show you. We have our blades, we have our motor, not to be confused with the turbine, our mast, base, and the mount for our solar panel. As you can see, that mount there goes against that bar. And there's a bar here, and it goes to pop on there. Now we have to hook up the wires appropriately. As you see, this wire has casing. It also has a frayed end through which we'll attach it to the springs on either end. As you see on here, there's a small sign for positive and a small sign for negative. On the solar panel, there's also a negative and a positive. So we're going to connect this negative to positive, which is the way we conventionally talk about electricity flowing. And we're going to go ahead and work it into this spring here. And as you can see, it's opened up and we'll cut that wire. And we're going to make sure our other wires are in. The frayed pieces are not touching each other and pass. We don't want any shorts going on. See, these two are a little close. And last but not least, we have our blades. And the convention for this is this tiny end with the bar is the tail. You've got your wings here with the signs of the sign of the current. And then you're going to go ahead and pop this set of blades on. Move the wires out of the way. Woo! See, this is a very delicate piece. I'll get this worked on here. And now, to do this, you're going to actually have to go outside and get some direct sunlight. It needs a lot stronger than what's inside. Sometimes it may take the blade a little bit to start spinning. Might need a little push. But that's your solar motor. If it were a turbine, it would be where the fan spins and turns that motion into electricity stored in a battery. But this is actually a motor, since the energy is coming from the solar panel through the motor and the engine, and then that's going to physically move the blades. That is your solar motor.